Okay, today is it. Today is G day, for grass mowing day. Now, I've got the DEWALT out. This is the first day. As you can see behind me, my grass is way different than it was last time. It is super, super high. Yes, it is high. Normally, it would never have it this high ever. Well, most of the time I don't have it this high, but it is high. This is the same kind of test that I did for the other one, if you remember. And I wanted to see just how high I could get it before I cut. So I know, you know, if the Ego is just as good or better than the DEWALT. Now we're going to try and we're going to see what happens here. As you see, it is high. I mean, it's pretty high. I'm not even going to measure it. You can plain and simply see how high it is. So I'm just going to go start just like I did the last one. I'm going to go out there. I'm going to go ahead and cut it, see what happens. Never have I cut any grass with this yet. So if you watch the first video of this, you see where I said that the key was in a bad spot. I haven't done anything with it just yet, but I will. But it's all adjusted where I want it. The height for the yard, and we're just gonna mow and see what happens. This does have the cross blade system in it, so I'm gonna show you real quick, and then we're gonna get to cutting. So once again, I'm gonna take the batteries out because I don't want any stored energy. I'm gonna pull the trigger just to make sure nothing happens. All right, we're good. I want to show you real quick. Hope you can see there is two blades on this. It's a cross blade or whatever you want to call it. A lot of people rave about it, so we're going to see just how good it is. You can see there's no grass been cut on here yet, so today is D-Day, or G-Day rather. So we're going to go ahead and put these back in. The two 10 amp hour batteries. How long the batteries will last, because you can see I don't have that big of a yard. So I'm going to go ahead and put it down here. We're going to start. Once again, I am not bagging my grass. I do not do it. I'm not doing it now. I won't do it later. Maybe when I'm old and gray, but that is not today. So let's go ahead and put this down on the ground here, and let's see. All right, here we go. All right, moment of truth. It is super quiet, as you can tell, so let's go ahead and do this. So far, so good. I gotta watch out for dog toys because I got a lot of them out here. Really good so far. I don't know if you can still see me, if I'm still in frame or not. I'll try to come back in here, but as you can see, maybe or not, it is doing really, really, really good. Now, it's not shooting out the side, and I don't know why. So let's see. Let's take a look at this. Because I forgot to take the grass plug out, but no bogging whatsoever, guys. So let me pull you a little closer here. Let me show you what happened here. Hey, you know what? I thought I had it out. This is literally the first day I've had this out since the day I did the unboxing video. So let me pull you down here and show you what I've forgot to take out. Now, some of you guys don't like my unscripted videos. They like to be, you know, to the point. But you know what? I like to be honest and tell you that this is the part I forgot to take out right here. So now, I was wondering why it wasn't coming out. I thought, well, maybe it's just a piece of junk. But there we go. Now it's out. This is the piece, the mulching piece. It actually did excellent in there, so I really can't complain about it. But anyway, like I said, I like to just do things like normal people would. Nobody wants to read the manual. Nobody wants to admit when they're wrong, but you see I'm wrong. So now let's try it again and see how far the grass actually throws. Like I said, there was no bogging down, which is pretty crazy. Here goes round number 2. Got the batteries in. Here we go. Oh, much better. Yeah, it's throwing grass like crazy. I'm gonna go back over the first part where I didn't get the first go around because, like I said, I don't bag. So when I come back around, you'll be able to see. All right, here we go. Watch as I throw this grass crazy. I mean, it's slinging it. You guys see this? It is slinging this grass. I'm gonna have to bring the camera over here and show you how crazy it is. Not even bogging down. This grass, guys, nothing, no problem. Let me grab this camera real quick and show you what I'm talking about. So it's quite obvious, maybe not, that I'm not gonna be able to hold this thing extremely still, so we'll do our best. But I want you to see this grass. If you couldn't see it, you will be able to see it now. Dial it down to 1. I mean, look at that. All right, I gotta stop for a second. I gotta pick up the dog toys. All right, so to start it, you pull this handle right here, pull it up, and push the button in, start it. All right, here we go. Look at that, guys. Insane, man. This is a awesome lawnmower. I'm gonna say right now that I'm not so sure if it's the blade or if it's the what it is, but it is great. So, all right, moment of truth. There's the thickest grass right there in my yard. I'm gonna go right down the middle of it. All right, here we go. Straight down. All right, so that bogged it down, but I mean, it was pretty high. You got to admit that. All right, let's try it again. Let's take it slow this time. No problems. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It looks like it's gonna rain. It is very black up there. I'm gonna show you here in just a second. The clouds I'm gonna show you right now, actually, because I'll probably forget if I don't. So it's definitely cutting. My wife is gonna be super stoked that I'm actually gonna mow the grass now instead of leaving the grow for you guys, because it needed to be this so we could see how it actually cut. So actually I'm starting to feel sprinkles right now, so I'm gonna have to end this. Guys, if you wanna see the very first video of this, click right up here in the corner. You'll see the video coming up. It shows you all the specs, all the information that you need to know. You can see what kind of car you might need to bring with you when you come. Guys, if you like what you see here, like and subscribe. God bless. Click that video and I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day.